How to replace lower control arm bushing. So hello guys, how are you today? Jeep Compass. How to replace lower control arm bushing. So if you see there, see, means this bush is damaged, so we need to replace whole control arm if it's not expensive. So if it's expensive, you can just remove this bushing. So now I will show you how to remove it and how we replace it. First, what we need to do, we need to remove wheel. Then after that, we have 3 bolts. That's one, second one this, and third one is this. Then if you do that, you can remove this one. I will show you. If not, let me show you. So now guys, I remove tire. So now what I will do, I will remove axle bearing. Okay, so now this one is okay. Now what I will do, I will start to remove this bolt. After then I will do this one, then last one this, and I will remove it. I removed all 3 bolts. That's one of them, second one, that, third one here. Just I will little bit mark this one. Guys, I did remove it, so now let's see what's the problem. Guys, I use press and I remove this bush. So now I will put a new bush and put into car. So guys, this one a new bush. So now what I will do, I will return again to control arm by using press to press into this place. And after that will be all. I will return or reinstall to car. This one is enough. That's now it's okay. I return bush to place. So now what I will do, I will push first time this one, then I will do hammering a little bit here to go into there. Then I will put this one again. Then what will stay, just return bolt, and that will be all. So now guys, I return all bolt to place and I tight. So to know it's finished, it's ready to dry.